Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to watch ShortMax series for free. If you enjoy watching shows and series on your mobile device, using a dedicated streaming app can make the experience much easier and more enjoyable. ShortMax is one such app that lets you access a variety of popular content and even earn rewards while watching. Here's how you can get started with it. First, go to the Google Play Store on your mobile phone. Now, use the search bar and search for ShortMax. After finding the app, hit the install button to install the app. It will take a few minutes to install the app. As the installation completes, tap on the open button to open the app. Here you will see various popular shows and series. At the top, you will find the search bar to search for any series. Then, type any show name or series name. You can tap on it and enjoy the series. On the top right corner, you will find the orange icon. By tapping on it, you will reach the reward area. You can get your daily reward and bonus. Scroll down and you can also bind your Google, Facebook, or email account. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.